This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Pennsylvania food processor installing 185 kilowatts Vitalis CO2 refrigeration system by J.O. Haroldson. Published August 12, 2026. Canadian manufacturer Vitalis has supplied an 185 kilowatt, 52.7 tons of refrigeration, transcritical CO2, Roxta G6 refrigeration system for installation at a Pennsylvania food processing plant. The system, dedicated to low-temperature LT application, will blast freeze steamed dumplings at an evaporating temperature of minus 42 degrees Celsius, minus 44 degrees Fahrenheit. At the Bethlehem facility, Luke Red, head of marketing at Vitalis, told naturalrefrigerants.com. This project demonstrates the versatility of transcritical CO2 technology beyond traditional supermarket refrigeration, Red said. It represents continued expansion into industrial food processing applications and reinforces the growing adoption of natural refrigerant solutions across the North American market. Expanding CO2 sales. In addition to manufacturing CO2 refrigeration systems, the company also produces CO2 heat pumps and CO2 oil management vessels. In May 2025, Vitalis doubled its production capacity by opening a new 25,000 square feet, 2,323 square meters, manufacturing site in Kelowna, British Columbia. In the last year, we doubled our revenue in general, but to a large degree from the racks. Red told naturalrefrigerants.com at IIAR 2026, held March 15th to 18th in San Antonio, Texas. Our increased sales came from demand, especially in California. In another recent U.S. application, Vitalis supplied a 570TR, 2 megawatts, CO2 refrigeration system for a North Carolina pharmaceutical cold storage facility, using 8 Roxta G6 units with gas coolers mounted on subframes. The installation included 6 75-ton, 264 kilowatts, units serving medium-temperature coolers and 2 60-ton, 211 kilowatts, units serving LT freezers, one of which incorporates heat reclaim. In collaboration with its German-based parent company, Taco Refrigeration, Vitalis launched a new line of CO2 oil management vessels in early 2026, available to other manufacturers. The lineup includes oil separators, oil reservoirs, and liquid receivers featuring an authentic cartridge, a multi-layer polymer filter. Rated for design pressures up to 140 bar, 2,030 pounds per square inch, the vessels eliminate the risk of fiber contamination in a CO2 refrigeration system, according to Vitalis. If CO2 grows, the overall pie grows for us too, and CO2 will only get a better reputation if people are getting good components, Red said. Emerging market. Vitalis installed an air source 1.5 megawatts, 426.5 tons of refrigeration, CO2-based heat pump at the University of British Columbia, UBC's Okanagan campus in Kelowna. The system supplies both district heating and cooling to campus buildings in ambient temperatures from minus 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, minus 4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. After 9 months of operation, the heat pump has reduced UBC Okanagan's carbon emissions by 350 metric tons. Vitalis's program manager Parham Islami Najad told UBC News. In a colder year, the system's full annual potential reaches more than 800 metric ton, he added. Although CO2 heat pumps are widely used for district heating in Europe, such applications are just emerging in North America, driven by corporate sustainability targets, building decarbonization efforts, and regulations phasing down high GWP refrigerants. The UBC installation demonstrates the technology's potential in the region, achieving an annual heating COP of up to 3.5 and an annual cooling COP of up to 3.6. Company President James Seabrook said that the UBC project gives Vitalis a head start in the developing North American heat pump market. It's the foundational project of a whole new product line, he said, but we'll have years of operating experience with it when the market emerges. Vitalis expects to more than triple in size within the next 5 years as CO2 adoption for heating and cooling accelerates in North America, according to UBC News.